Hi everybody, my name is Chaitanya Mittal. I am from India and this is my CS50 final project in Python titled Velocities. This is a kind of tool which helps in solving questions related to motion physics. This software deals with basic as well as advanced problems of motion along a straight line with uniform acceleration and uses a number of algorithms to deal with problems. This tool is reliable for day-to-day use and is tested on more than 100 questions from the major textbooks of India. So, without wasting much time, let's start with a quick demo of the tool. Here, I have a question from NCERT Grade 9 Science book and we'll try to deal with this problem. So, according to the question, I need to find the acceleration and hence we input 1 accordingly. Please note that this software accepts values in SI units only to prevent confusion. So we input the initial velocity 0, final velocity as 20 meters per second after the conversion and the time as 300 seconds. And you can see the tool provides the accurate answer. Similarly, we can solve for distance. Providing the given quantities only, we get 3000 meters, which is the same as 3 kilometers. And here is another question from Topper Learning for grade 11. We try to solve the question. Here, providing the given data again. Note how the acceleration is negative as it is acting in the opposite direction. As you can see, the software quickly solves the problems for both the parts. And so, that was my CS50 final project. Hope you liked the tool and thank you.